This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Kraken 240 easy method. Begin by unboxing and laying out the pump, radiator, fans, and mounting hardware on a clean surface to avoid lost screws or bent brackets. Next, read the included specs for your CPU socket and choose the correct mounting plate and thermal paste amount. Keep a towel nearby for any spills and work slowly to avoid cross-threading or over-tightening screws. Place the radiator where it fits best in your case, top or front, ensuring clearance for the fans and tubes without sharp bends. Attach fans to the radiator in the correct pull or push configuration for your preferred airflow, then use the provided screws to secure the assembly. Make sure the tubes are oriented to allow a gentle curve toward the pump and avoid tight bends that can restrict coolant flow or stress fittings. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more easy setup videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice to refresh your car after those long, sweaty build sessions because nothing ruins satisfaction like a stinky ride. It's a small, funny comfort that pairs with finishing your Kraken 240 setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Clean the CPU heat spreader with alcohol and install a pea-sized dot of thermal paste in the center. Position the Kraken 240 pump head squarely over the CPU and fasten the mounting screws in a cross pattern for even pressure. Route the pump cables neatly to their headers, plug fans into the correct fan headers, and double-check torque on screws to prevent leaks while ensuring good contact between the cold plate and CPU.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.